Hello and welcome once again to MG Tracy. You are really welcome. Today there's a quick video and we're going to be showing you one of these. Now, it has different names. I call it a watering wand, some people call it a watering lance, but it's a very cheap and efficient tool. This video is not sponsored in any way, but this item I've bought from Amazon and the links are below if you want to buy it. So what this tool does is allows you really to control how much and in what format you water your garden. So you can alter the angle here on the end. Here you've got different patterns, we'll try them in a moment, but the most important bit here is you can vary how much water. Let's have a look at the different patterns of water. There are 8 all in all. So that's full whack, just normal. And then you've got quite a thin spray there. Oh look, we can get a rainbow. This one's marked shower. And that one's really good. That's a sort of a misty one. It's ideal if you're trying to use it on fresh lawn seed and that. Not so much water, it's going to wash the seed away, but it'll get the water in there to help with the grass. This one is mist. Now this is, I'm going to turn that right down. This is really good if, like here, you've got a seed bed and you want to put some water on there, but you don't want too much. You're not going to end up with the power of the water churning up the soil that you've got your seeds in. There's a couple more here. This one is like a thin jet. I'm not sure what that one is. It says cone. Oh, it's a cone shape of water. I suppose it does what it says on the tin. And then we're back to full. And then we've got our control here for power. Now one of the things you may want to do is, depending how you fix this, if you, like me, are just going to put the end of the hose directly on to the unit, you're going to find that when you turn it off, the water pressure pops off that hose. So there's a little Jubilee clip there. It's very easy, and you just tighten it up with a screwdriver and that holds it in place. And again, I'll put the links below for those on Amazon if you need them. So I really hope you found that useful. We've certainly found this is brilliant. This is less than 11 British pounds and it's under $15 in the States. This is Paul from London on a lovely summer day, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.